Danny, you got anybody else talking to you?
Well, I had kind of a funny question from a guy named Alan. He's wondering what kind of workout regimen you have, and if you use any like supplements or anything to boost your workout and protein, creatine,
Come on,
Oh
Lance. What do
Lord.
you got?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm really into HGH. Yeah. No, it's Waffle House, Taco Bell, and it's the late night thing. I try to work out every day before a show, which right now is a lot of days. But for me, it's I don't want to roll out of bed and hop on stage. I got to get my mind right and get the blood flowing. So it's fun. It's something I enjoy. Weirdly enough, is going through the process of finding a gym. But on top of finding a gym, you have to barter with all the gyms. Either whether it be tickets or just talk them down to because everybody wants $25. You ain't gonna pay $25 to do a push up. Come on. And so it's a fun challenge every day. You wake up in a new city and get to drive around and find a gym and then talk your way into getting a free workout. So it's one of those things. I think I'm going to try and keep up. You can't get too still out there.
That's good. I found so many ways not to go to the gym. I would do any. And I carry a bicycle under my bus. I love riding a bike, but I really started doing that a lot when I was touring with Chesney, because just to get away from him as far as I possibly could.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't have to go to the gym with him. I mean, would have like Secret Service guys and stuff that would come in. They're so ripped, they got
Yeah.
12 packs.
Oh yeah.
And they come out of the gym with him going, my God. It's like, what? That was insane.
Well, I think
Yeah.
Tim one-upped him this past year, man.
Yeah, I mean, he's ripped it, or what do they call it? It's not ripped, it's shredded.
He's shredded.
Yeah,
He walked on. Here's the funny story. We were at Bama Jam,
Uh-huh.
and I was on the bus getting ready to go. We got rained out, but I was going to go do an interview real quick, and I was putting my boots on, and tour manager comes on. He goes, "Hey man, Tim wants to come up and say hello," and I had no idea who it was. I was like, "All right, whatever." And this dude walks up in a do-rag with no shirt on and shoes, and I'm like, "Who is this guy?" Covered in sweat, and I take a second glance, and he sticks his hand out. It's Tim McGraw, and I was like, "Man, you know how to make a guy feel terrible about himself." Just ripped up. First time I ever meet Tim McGraw is on my bus, and he's shirtless, and
Have
but
you ever
yeah.
tried to run with him?
No, I would like to, but
He
I
does
know-
like stupid football sprint stuff.
yeah,
Yeah.
I probably couldn't hang.
Yeah, he is another one. And, basketball was our big thing, too. I don't know if you guys are into that. But we had jerseys and everything.
Oh,
and-
you did do the
yeah.
jersey thing.
But everybody out there was bigger than me. I mean, people are surprised when because Ronnie was like 6'6", so
Yeah.
they think I'm, like 5 feet. And
Oh, sure.
yeah, but I'm 6'1", and we had, well, even Jada Marcus is taller than you think, but Montgomery Gentry and
Right.
Troy's tall. He was,
They are,
he was
yeah.
with us, and Toby was out with us. I mean, posting up against Toby will put a bruise on you
Heck
too.
yeah.
But
Yeah, but that was a rough game.
it was a rough game. It was,
We've done a little hoop.
Yeah.
We've gotten to the basketball a little bit, and it's fun, until you sprain a finger, and then makes the job pretty tough. Did you ever
break a
sprain
nail.
Did you ever sprain fingers
well,
on the
yeah,
court?
if you play basketball, you're going to jam some fingers. Yeah. And I'll tell you who else can really play. Cletus Judd, you remember
Yeah.
Cletus T? He's got a great shot. But
wow.
all the Flats boys, Jay's pretty good. Joe Don, real serious basketball player. And
that's
Gary's sneaky good.
Yeah.
Just kind of, he has that long ball, real good shooter,
Yeah.
though. But,
I've got my keyboard player is one of those guys you wouldn't think could play ball at all,
uh-huh.
and he's always the top scorer. He can just drive on you, and it's funny when those guys kind of show up and one up you.